How to check keyword ranking in Semrush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. In Semrush, checking the ranking of keywords is very straightforward actually, so let's just go and get to it. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, go down to the description. You should be able to find a link which is going to give you a 14-day pro trial, then the usual 7 that you actually end up getting. So this is going to be a great deal for you to get started. It's just going to help you test out Semrush for yourself and have a great feel for it before you actually subscribe. So make sure you go down to the description, click on the link and get started and follow along the video. Okay, so in order to actually check the ranking of keywords, what you want to do is just log into your Semrush account and go to the SEO tab on the left side here. Now there are going to be two main ways. The most the regular one, the default one that you would want to go for is going to be within the competitive analysis, and you want to click on organic rankings. This is going to allow you to add a website. It could be yours, it could be a competitor's website, and it's just going to show you what works. Just add any URL basically. We're just going to find a lot of things here. So if we just scroll down, these are going to be the default data about it. But if we scroll down, we should be able to find the top keywords that actually work here. So you can actually go ahead and see them and see their rankings from here. So the first tab here is going to be the top ones, like the complete top ones that they have. So you can actually see them over here, and you can even click on view all to see all of them. If you scroll down, you're going to find another tab here, which you can see the top position changes. In organic, you have new, lost, improved. You can just filter out between them. And obviously, you're just going to be able to see the traffic, the volume of it, and the current position. So obviously, the website I went with is like one massive website. So it's not really going to look like this scary for you if you just wanted to find a normal competition here. But you are going to find a lot of data, which is going to help you quite a lot in this page. Now, for the other method, you simply just want, again, to go to the SEO tab and this time click on the position tracking. This is going to allow you to track in real time the best keywords that you really want to win. So you can just go ahead and add them in here, and it's just going to track it out for you on a daily basis. So it's actually going to tell you whether it's going to be, going up in terms of rankings or lower. And you're just going to be able to see that day by day, and obviously make right decisions based off of that. So just go ahead and add your domain in here, and you can just go ahead and set up your tracking from there with the specific keywords that you actually want. So you have position tracking and also the organic rankings tabs. These two are going to help you find out the keyword rankings in Semrush. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.